question says line T in the xy plane has a slope of minus 1 by 3. Okay, let's write the data. So slope is minus 1 by 3. That means m is equal to minus 1 by 3. And passes through the point 9, 10. Now when it says passes through the 9.910, that means if you plug in the values of x and y in the equation, these will be satisfied. These will be the solutions of the equations. Okay. Which equation defines the line T? That means we have to find the equation of the line T. And we know equation in the slope intercept form is y is equal to mx plus b. Now we have to form the equation with the help of the given data only. So let's put what values are given to us. M is given as minus 1 by 3. Okay, let's write m as minus 1 by 3. And because this value of x and y is satisfying the equation, that means I can just plug them here. So at the place of x, I am going to plug 9, and at place of y, I am going to plug 10, or y is replaced with 10 and x is replaced with 9. Now we don't know the value of b, so let's calculate that. Okay, it is 3 is a 9, cancellation method. 10 is equal to minus 3 plus b, adding 3 on both sides, is equal to minus 3 plus b, cancelled, b is equal to 13. Now when we have to find the equation, that means there are variables in it. So again we will use this y is equal to mx plus b and see what we can do here. Y is the variable, so that will be as it is. M is the value, has the value minus 1 by 3, which is given in the question itself. X is again the variable, and value of b is 13. So that means let's see the option. Negative x by 3 plus 13. Okay, see, it's negative 1 by 3x. It is negative 1 by 3x. You write it like this or you write it like this. Both have the same. So if we see D matches the option, that means option D is correct. Okay.